There is a lot of foods and drinks we would like for you to stay away from with your braces. If you don't stay away from these foods, you could accidentally knock off a bracket and then make your treatment longer than what we had estimated. We want you to stay away from chewy, sticky hard foods, as well as sodas and Gatorades or sports drinks. An example of some of these foods are popcorn. You don't want that popcorn. You may accidentally get a kernel lodged up in your gums and get an infection. Another example is a sucker. No, can't have that sucker. We always think we're just gonna suck on them, but we end up chewing on them and breaking a bracket off. We also wanna stay away from Laffy Taffies and Starburst or anything chewy or sticky that could accidentally pull a bracket off. And drinks we wanna stay away from are soda, can't have that, or sports drinks such as Gatorade, because this can cause damage to your teeth, and when we remove your brackets, you may have scars on your teeth that look like this. This is a result you do not want. So please follow our instructions and you'll end up with the most perfect, straight, beautiful teeth.